Miss Liz, how do you feel about the successful concert?
Very successful, di ba? Imagine, I joined my good friend for only 1 month and 2 weeks. And then, look, dahil sa pagmamahal, dahil talagang pagmamahal namin kay...
Na-fulfill ba yung wish mo? Na-fulfill?
Oo, yung kumanta ng la-la-la-la-la.
Ang ganda ng presentation. Ang ganda ng presentation.
What's your wish for the Filipinos this Valentine's Day?
Oh my God, I wish them. You know, kasi madami tayong mga nangyayari, pero just have that faith. Oh God, Lord Jesus Christ. Kaya natin, kaya pa rin natin, kaya natin. Always positive. Magkaroon tayo. Oh, very important. Tita, late ka? Ay, sorry. Late kayo?
We were here early before it started. You went in front of us twice. We were just laughing at you because you can't see us. Like,
hindi tayo makikita niyan.
Sorry.
May wish pa ba for your birthday?
Yeah. It's my birthday nung February 7.
Same kila sa Arnold.
Yes. Wala naman. Ang gusto ko lang, continuing blessing. At the same time, gusto ko magkakasama kami sa family. I mean, kasi iba-iba. They're in, yung isa sa Paris, yung isa sa Singapore, sa Chile,
Miss Liz, final na po, any special person na gusto pasalamatan ngayon?
Here, syempre si Arnelina. Friend ko talagang sabi niya, siya yung nagturo sa akin ng gano'n, yung gagawin ko. Sabi niya sa akin, huwag kang magpatawa. Be yourself, nakakatawa ka na.
Okay po, salamat Miss Liz.
Thank you, Arnel.
Alright, thank you.